Hello, good evening. Welcome to our channel Yushi Talks. And today we are going to talk about the Asian driver from California who had exposed a banned anti-masker. The anti-masker in turn coughed and hurled racial slurs at him. We are talking about the Uber driver whose name is Subhakar Khatka. He is from India. We have more details about how the incident unfolded. Please watch the complete video and also subscribe to our channel. Let's get started. An Asian Uber driver on Sunday, March 7, was assaulted by a woman who was riding with two other women when he refused to provide them service for not having their masks on. The shocking incident shows that the woman in question hurls abuses at the 32-year-old man who has been identified as Subakar Kachka. The woman has been banned from riding in Uber and Lyft. The incident occurred at around 12:45 p.m. in San Bruno Avenue in San Francisco. The police said that one of the three women, other than the one who was seen attacking Katka, reportedly sprayed pepper spray into the vehicle after stepping out of it. The victim, in a statement, said that he has claimed that the woman displayed aggressive behavior towards him after realizing that he wasn't one of them. So let's talk a little bit about who actually Subakar Khatka is. He came to US about 8 years ago and he uses his earnings to support his family back in India. On March 7th, he had just picked three women from the Bay Area before this incident unfolded. The anti-masker began abusing him when he asked them to wear their mask. He reportedly even told them that he would make a stop at a gas station where they could pick up some masks. However, the woman was triggered by his refusal to drive him without mask and launched a verbal attack on him. At one point, she leans forward and snatches his phone away before yelling, "Are you stupid?" multiple times and coughing on his face. She even pulls the mask off his face, leaving it exposed. I mean, I just can't fathom how horrible it is. If you're not wearing the mask, that's one thing, and taking the mask off from somebody's mouth and coughing on their face, this is just not acceptable behavior. Katka claims that it was pure racist and he was ill treated because of his skin color. Lyft issued a statement saying although this incident did not involve the Lyft platform, the unacceptable treatment of the driver in this video compelled us to permanently remove the rider from the Lyft community. Driving in a pandemic is not easy. Please wear a mask, respect one another, and be a good person. I think this is a very good message coming from Lyft that even though the incident did not happen them, they identified that and they recognized that this is just bad treatment and this is not acceptable, and they have removed the rider from Lyft community as well. So this is a very good step from Lyft, I must say. And now let's talk a little bit about this anti-masker, the passenger who sat in the cab and who was seen attacking Katka. She went live on Instagram. Her maybe going by her Instagram handle, keeping up with foreign. In the live video, she explains that Katka refused to drive. I mean, he threatened to drive them into a freeway and then let them off in the middle of the freeway if they didn't wear their mask. I don't know if that's believable. She says that 75% of the people she knows would have smacked him if he had said that he would drive them off the freeway for not wearing mask. She says that all I did was take his mask off and cough a little bit. She adds before establishing that she doesn't even have COVID-19. She accepts the fact that she was being disrespectful towards him, but the entire incident could have been avoided. All right. So she has also shared videos from before the attack to show that how Khatka refused to lend them services. That's a very very strange behavior, I must say. Do let me know of in the comment section of what you think of this incident and what would you have done if you were in that situation as a passenger, as a co-passenger, or maybe someone who is driving the cab in this situation. So that's all I have today. Please continue to watch this space for more videos and for more interesting content. Thank you for watching me. You have a wonderful day ahead. Bye bye.